used to call me freak, weirdo, waste man, idiot.
I'm working at
I see one boyfriend jeans girl and the whip.
Yeah, but jeans kind of out of style.
This is when you're going to Champs.
I don't know who that boy is. How can I be friends with him? I don't know him.
Girl, I think you have better taste. Stop going like that.
Girl, I don't know him. I don't know why I'm talking to him. He's not my friend. Not my friend.
Chelsea. Tell us how we did that when you know.
Yo, dog, what you want? Hey, dog. Dog. Me see water.
I just did want them call me by my name, Kevin.
And do music. And that's a man.
Not do music. What am I doing with that case there? I'm never sitting in there.
Girl, I see this top girl, I'm lost.
Top girl. Oh yeah, so wait. Hold on. You hear what she said? She said she don't know when I champs.
Champs are just going on.
t-shirt. Girl, take a t-shirt. Exactly. And buy one nice shirt. And so, hey, Jason, come here. No, Abby.
Maybe I want to sit here.
So, hi, Kevin.
Yeah, alright.
So, where did I go so early?
To a math study session.
Math study session. So, why you never come to me? I'm going to help you. You know, say anything when you want, I always tell you. Girl, I don't know, picky. Anyways, so you know, say anything when you
When media come to school, you used to get them message. But guess what? Do you learn to walk? Do you learn to talk? Do you learn to tie your shoes in? Alright, 2 out of 3. But you can't learn. Never learn.
Let's change the narrative. Instead of ignore, include. Instead of scold, scaffold. Instead of laugh, listen. Instead of condemn, commend.
Don't kill me. Better you build me.